Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble and install the pedestal that comes with the 55 and 65 inch S90C series QD OLED from Samsung. It's a very straightforward process. You only have 3 different pieces. You've got the 2 pedestal legs here, and then a little cover that's going to go over the base of that pedestal. So let's get to it. So the first thing you're going to do is take one of the pedestal legs. We're going to start here on the left hand side as you're facing the back. You grab the pedestal leg that's labeled L, which means left, as you're looking at the back of the TV, and you're simply going to flip it around and kind of line up the bottom here and the side and push up until it locks into place. It does take a little bit of effort, but then it's going to snap into place. You're not done until it snaps into place and the top edge is lined up here up at the top. That's how you know it's set in place. Now we're going to take the right pedestal leg, which is the one marked R, and it's the right hand side as you're looking at the back of the TV. And we're going to do the same process. Start off at the bottom, push up, and sometimes it's a little easier if you kind of grab up here at the protrusion at the top of the back area and push up from the bottom, again, until it locks into place. It's very important that it locks into place, otherwise it's not complete. By the way, now is also a good time if you're going to turn off the TV's internal microphones. Now is a good time to do it while you have the TV laid face down, because this button's a little hard to find. There's a little switch right here. This is on the left-hand side of the TV as you have it, kind of as you're looking at the back of it. And there's a little microphone switch here that you can flip over and turn the microphones on and off from there. But this is probably the easiest time to do it in the process. Okay, so now that you have both legs attached to the back of the TV, you're gonna have a friend come and help you, lift it up, and then we're gonna rotate it around and have it facing forward so we can put the plate on the bottom. We've got Prince here helping out today. Thanks, Prince. Now that we have the TV sitting upright, we're gonna take our final piece here, that plate that's gonna cover up the 2 legs here, and you've got 2 ridges on the bottom of this plate, and those are going to cover up the feet that are protruding out from the front of the TV. So when you go to put it on, occasionally those feet can kind of get spread out. So you can see here I'm good on one ridge, but the other one's poking out here a little bit. Just take it out and you can kind of move those in a little bit until they line up. And then once you do that, you're basically just going to slide it all the way back and then push down, and it'll snap into place, just like that. And that's all there is to it. So the pedestal's all assembled and attached to the TV, no tools involved, which is great, makes everything super easy. It looks nice on there, and it's gonna be simple for you to do at home. Obviously, if you purchased it from Apt and you have any questions, we offer free lifetime technical support on any products we sell, so you can contact us here at the store for help. Otherwise, we're gonna do some more videos on this one coming up, so make sure you stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching.